let's talk about an organelle.
Organelles come in two major varieties. They are membrane-bound structures in eukaryotic cells, but they can be considered endomembrane organelles or what we call energy organelles. The energy organelles have that very old endosymbiotic relationship by mitochondria and chloroplast. Endomembrane organelles have nuclear envelopes, endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi complex, these things may sound familiar, lysosomes, vesicles, also vacuoles, plasma membrane. Compartmentalization. Okay, so the size and shape of a cell, that it reflects its function and that it needs in order for the essential molecules to basically move in and out of it. So the greater the spherical diameter of a cell, the more material it contains, and the further the molecules have to move in order to reach the center. At the same time, its metabolitic requirements for just regular raw materials increase. So molecules diffusing into the cell are used up faster than they can be supplied, and it may not reach the center of the cell as quickly. That'll usually leave it to starve of essential nutrients like oxygen. So the problem of supply and demand can be solved by reducing the diameter of the cell along one axis or elongating it along another. So an elongated sphere or cylinder, like a rod shaped, has a greater surface area than a sphere of the same volume. So in this way, a cell can grow larger while still gaining the materials it needs. The cells of multicellular organisms are often highly specialized, and that maximizes the surface area to volume ratio that it needs. This increasing surface area for reactions, regular metabolism to occur, essentially prevents interfering reactions from occurring in the same internal location of a cell. I know that's a very long definition of what compartmentalization is. So cells have unique components, and we have plant cells that have very specialized organelles that belong to just plants, chloroplast, a large central vacuole. They also have cell walls, and plasmatismata, which are these pores that are within the external membrane that allow cell-to-cell communication. Cells that belong to animals have unique components as well, like lysosomes, centrosomes, and flagella.